Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up for your WhatsApp account. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open your WhatsApp app and select the language preference. Once you do so, you need to click on agree and continue and enter the mobile phone number which you are using to log in to your WhatsApp account. Once you type in your mobile phone number, you need to simply press on the next button. After clicking on next, it will start to connect to your mobile phone. Now it will reconfirm your mobile phone, so you just need to click OK or edit it and click on continue. So now after enabling and giving all the permissions, you will get a verification via call, or if the call is not working for a long time, it will send a message on your number. So the verification code will be sent to your number, which you have to press to confirm it. Once the verification is completed, all you need to do is allow permissions to your WhatsApp and you will be all logged in and signed up with your new WhatsApp account.
How to log in WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, read its privacy policy and tap agree and continue to accept the terms of service. Now type in your phone number. After you're done, press done, which is on the top right. Now you'll need to enter your name and add an optional profile picture. There you can see the option of delete a photo, take a photo, and choose a photo from your gallery. Choose one. A pop-up message will appear on your screen that will ask you whether to access your photos and contacts or not. Press OK to allow, and to deny, press Don't Allow. Now, select a photo you like. Tap on Choose button to upload. Press Done to continue. Then press Continue. Tap Accept. After you tap on it, this way you'll be able to log in WhatsApp. How to change background on WhatsApp. Firstly, open your WhatsApp. Select a contact. Tap on the profile icon. There you'll see the option of wallpaper and sound. Click on it. Tap on Choose a new wallpaper. You also can choose a wallpaper from your galleries by tapping on Photos. Choose a photo which you like to set as wallpaper. Adjust the photo, and when you're done, tap Set. And after you tap on it, this way you'll be able to change your background on WhatsApp. How to add friends on WhatsApp. Firstly, open your app. Then at the bottom right, you'll find a settings button. Click on it. Go to New Contact. And then type in the number you want to add. Fill in other details too. When you're done, tap on Save button. This is how you add a friend on WhatsApp. How to create group on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Now, tap on the new chat icon, which is on the top right corner. Click on New Group. Add participants with whom you like to create a group. Click Next. Name your group subject and upload your group icon. When you're done, tap Create. This way, you can create a group on WhatsApp. How to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Go to Settings, which is on the bottom right corner. Click on your profile icon. Tap Edit and choose a photo which you like to upload. Move and scale according to your preference. This is how you change your profile picture on WhatsApp. How to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Go to Settings, which is on the bottom right corner. You will see an option titled Two-Step Verification. Tap on it. Press Enable. Enter a 6-digit PIN as per your wish, and when you're done, press Next. Now reconfirm your PIN and tap Next to continue. Then provide your email, which will be used to reset your PIN if you forget it and safeguard your account. Tap Next when you're done. Again, reconfirm your email address. Tap Done. After you tap on it, this way you'll be able to enable your two-step verification on WhatsApp.
how you can appear offline on WhatsApp. So watch this video till the end to know how you can do that. From here you can head over to account and then again head over to privacy. Now here are a few options that you can change. Firstly, tap on the last seen option. Select this from everyone to nobody. So what this will do is nobody will be able to see your last seen and the last when you were online. And the next thing you can change is head over to status and then tap on OK without selecting anyone. Now this will remove the online status that shows up when someone is online or when you are online. So that's how easily you can appear offline on WhatsApp.
How to hide last seen time on WhatsApp. For that, first of all, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up the app, on bottom right corner, you'll see the option of settings. Tap on it. Now tap on account. After that, tap on privacy. After that, tap on last seen. There are three options. If you tap on everyone will be able to see your last seen. If you tap on my contacts, people from your contacts will be able to see your last seen. And if you tap on nobody will be able to see your last seen, and you won't be able to see other people's last seen. To hide your last seen, tap on nobody and go back to privacy. Now the update has been made. This is how you hide last seen time on WhatsApp. Or to hide WhatsApp status from specific contacts. First off, open your WhatsApp. Tap on status, which is on the bottom left corner. There you'll see an option of privacy on top left corner. Tap on it. There you'll see an option of my contacts except. Tap on it. Now select contacts with whom you'll want to hide your WhatsApp status. When you're done, press done. This is how you hide WhatsApp status from specific contacts. How to enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Go to settings, which is on the bottom right corner. Go to account. Tap on privacy. Scroll down and you will see screen lock. Tap on it. Turn on required touch ID. Select the time period before fingerprint authentication is generated. Touch the fingerprint sensor to confirm your fingerprint every time you open your app. How to create WhatsApp status. Open your WhatsApp, tap on status, which is on the bottom left corner. And when you land on this page, you will see that beside my status, there is a camera option and also an option to write. You can choose either of them, or you can simply tap on the plus icon and you'll be directly taken towards the gallery, where you can choose the image that you want to set as your status. Now select a photo or a video you want to share, and when you're done, tap on the send button, which is on the bottom right corner. Then your status will be set. This is how you create WhatsApp status. How to change font on WhatsApp. For that, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app on your phone. After you open up your app, on top right you can see a 3-dot menu icon. Tap on it and go to settings. Now select chats. Under chat settings, there you can see the option of font size. Tap on it and then select your desired font size. This way you can change font size on WhatsApp. How to backup chats on WhatsApp. For that, open up your WhatsApp app on your phone. After you open up your app, on top right you'll see a 3-dot menu icon. Tap on it, go to settings and then tap on chats. Tap backup and then on the next screen, tap the green backup button. This way you can back up chats on WhatsApp.
How you can send disappearing photos and videos in WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the world's most popular chat apps, with an estimated 2 billion users exchanging messages around the globe every single month. It recently rolled out a new Snapchat-like feature called View Once, which lets you exchange media that is later automatically deleted from all chat logs. To put this feature to use, you have to tap the View Once icon each time you are sharing a photo or video while using WhatsApp. One thing to note is that unlike Snapchat, WhatsApp doesn't notify the sender if the receiving user takes a screenshot of the photo or video, so there's no guarantee they won't be able to save a copy. Now, in order to send disappearing photos and videos in WhatsApp on Android, first you need to download the app on your mobile device. Once it is installed, you log into the application and tap on it to open. Now once you open it, tap the chat with the person to whom you would like to send a disappearing photo or video. You can proceed by clicking onto the camera icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you can either take a new photo or record a video or select an existing media from your photo gallery. Once you have selected or captured the picture or video, go ahead and tap to the View Once icon that is located on the bottom of your screen. If this is your first time using the feature, a new window shows pop-up describing how View Once works. At this stage, you can read more about it by tapping the Learn More option or select OK to finalize the process. And now you can go ahead and tap on the Send icon. And once you do that, keep that in mind that you'll have to repeat these steps each time you send a new View Once photo or video. After the media has been viewed, the message will change from the photo or video to opened, and the one will disappear from the icon. Your recipient will see the same message on the phone for once and will no longer be able to view that media again. So that's it for today, guys. How you can share links on your WhatsApp status. Recently, Instagram and Snapchat added a new feature to their story that lets you add an external link. The feature is extremely useful. You can add links to their text-only status updates. Now, in order to know how it works, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, you need to launch the app on your mobile device and tap on it to open. Then here you can see the status option available at the top of the screen. Tap on it. Then here at the bottom of the screen you can see the pencil icon available. Tap on it. Now here where it says type a status, you can enter your URL. Like I'm going to type a text for Facebook help, and now I'd like to type in the URL for the link I like to share on text basis. And here you can see I have typed in a text-based status. Or if you have copied the URL from other external website, then you can tap and hold on the screen, then paste it on the screen. So here you can see the link you want to share on WhatsApp as a status. Now to change the stylity of the text, you can just press on T and you can see the different options available for your text. So I'm just gonna go with this one this time. And here right next to it you can see a color palette option where you can tap and change the background for your text-based status. So I'm just gonna go with this color as it's just the Facebook based. Now once I'm done customizing my WhatsApp status, I tap on send. So by doing that, I upload my WhatsApp status. Now in order to know how your friends and family views your status, just go to my status and tap on it. Here you can see the WhatsApp status you just updated. Now if you go to the link and click on it, you can see the link. Go to the link and tap on it. So as you can see, it takes me back to the same website I texted the URL for Facebook help. So that's it for today, guys. How you can pin a chat to the top on WhatsApp. In order to do that, first you need to download the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you download it, tap on it to open. Once you open it, you go to a certain chat box and simply long press on the chat you want to pin. Once you tap on it, you can see various options available at the top of your screen. You just need to go to the pin chat option and tap on it. Now you can see the chat will be pinned and placed right on top of all other chat regardless of the message received on other non-pinned chat. It pins the more important and quickly accessible chats on the top so that you don't have to go through the pain of either searching for the chat on the search bar or scrolling through your numerous chats until you stumble across the particular window. How you can mark chats as unread on WhatsApp from your mobile device. So in order to get started, first launch the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you have launched it, tap on it to open. Now you go to a certain chat you want to mark as unread and tap and hold on it. Once you do that, you can see the three dots available at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Here you can see a list of 4 options available. So you need to go to mark as unread and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see a green dot here, which means you have marked this chat as unread now. You can reply to the messages that you have marked unread whenever you get time. So once you open these messages, they will be marked read again. It is important to know that marking a message unread only means that your messages are marked unread only for you. The sender will continue seeing the blue ticks indicating that you have read the messages but not replied.
How to audio or video call on WhatsApp. For this, firstly, open up your WhatsApp app. As you open your WhatsApp, if there is a particular person that you want to search for in audio call, tap on the message button on top right corner. And what you can do is search for a contact here. I am gonna randomly search for a particular contact on my phone. And then here now, how can you call that person is as soon as you land on this page section, you'll see an audio button on the top right corner. You simply tap on it in order to make the call. And here you can see that your call is now being delivered to other party. And as soon as the call has been received, you can either audio call or you can simply tap on video call option, and then you'll be directed towards a video call. Or else what you can do is you can also see a video call option beside the audio call option, so you can tap on it and directly go for a video call option with a particular person. How to block and unblock contacts on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, tap on the new chat icon which is on the top right corner. Select a person whom you would like to block, click on their profile icon, scroll down and you will find a block option. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen to confirm that you want to block. Tap block. This is how you block on WhatsApp. To unblock, go back, tap on the new chat icon which is on the top right corner. Select a person whom you like to unblock. A pop-up message will appear on your screen to confirm that you want to unblock. Tap unblock. This is how you unblock on WhatsApp. How to delete message for everyone on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Go to the chat containing the message you want to delete. Tap and hold the message. Tap on delete. Now tap on delete icon which is on your bottom left corner. Now press delete for everyone. This way you'll be able to delete message for everyone on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.